Hello students, today we see lesson 4 History of India Arts. In this topic we see first point what is art, second point Indian traditions of visual arts, third point Indian traditions of performing arts, fourth point art, applied art and professional opportunities. First we see what is art. What is art? Art means कला. हर एक आदमी के पास, हर एक पीपल के पास क्या होती है? आर्ट होती है. अपनी अपनी एक कला होती है. एग्जाम्पल सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, कुकिंग, कोई पढ़ाई में अच्छा होता है, कोई पेंटिंग. दीज आर दी आर्ट्स. व्हाट इज द आर्ट्स? It is a natural human instinct to want to share his experience, wisdom and also emotions. This is the arts. Art means it is a natural human instinct. When the human instinct of sharing experience, emotions, wisdom with the other results in a beautiful creation, it is known as art. When that instinct results in a beautiful creations, then we call that art. It is acknowledged as art. The artist's power of imagination, sensibility, state of emotions and his skills are the crucial factors at the root of artistic creation. The crucial factors at the root of artistic creations are the imagination power of the artist, that people, the imagination power of that artist, that people, it's his sensibility, state of emotions and his skills. It is the root of artistic creations. Okay, next we see visual arts and performing arts. Artistic creations are two types: visual arts, performing arts. There are two types of arts. First is visual arts and second is performing arts. Okay, the Sanskrit term for the first type is Drik Kala and for the second type Lalit or Agnik Kala. Many examples of prehistoric rock art have been discovered at many sites in the world. It proves that the origin of visual art is as old as the Stone Age man. Visual art means Drik Kala. In Sanskrit we see Drik Kala for visual art. This is the another meaning of visual art, Drik Kala. The origin of Drik Kala can be traced back to prehistoric age. The discovery of many sites of rock art in the world proves it. The art of painting and sculpting is a part of visual art. Okay, understand that the visual art is the origin of Drik Kala and it can be traced back to prehistoric, that is Stone Age, prehistoric age. Okay, performing art means Lalit Kala. Okay, performing art means Lalit Kala and Lalit Kala is also known as Agni Kala. It includes dance, singing, drama, painting, etc. Okay, we see in Stone Age man. In Stone Age period, man can paint their emotions, their thoughts are वो क्या करते थे? अपने थॉट्स, इमोशंस वो क्या करते थे? पेंटिंग के द्वारा कहाँ पे? केव्स पे, वॉल्स पे, रॉक पे क्या करते थे? ड्रॉ करते थे. यानी visual arts is the origin from the Stone Age. Okay, next we see folk arts and classical arts. There are two distinct traditions of arts, folk art and classical art. First we see folk art. Folk art is a tradition that has continued from the prehistoric times. The expression of folk art is a natural part of people's way of living. Hence, its expression is spontaneous. Folk art is created by collective participation of the members of the social group. Classical art, on the other hand, is expressed within an established frame of consistent rules. It needs a prolonged training to master any form of classical art. There are two types of art. Okay, first is folk art. Folk art is the tradition. It is the traditional folk art, and it has continued from prehistoric times. Okay, it has continued from prehistoric time. The expression of folk art is a natural part of people's way of living. It is a natural expression of people's. That means there is no any rules for that peoples to express their emotions. It is a natural expression of people in folk art. It is created by collective participation of members of social groups. Okay, and in other hand, in classical art is expressed within an established frame of consistent rules. That means in classical art there is a need of rule. A very long period of training is required to master any form of classical art. Take an example of classical dance या फिर classical sing. ओके, अगर आपको क्लासिकल सीखना है, गाना क्लासिकल सॉन्ग सीखना है, तो आपको क्या हो, प्रॉपरली सारे गम जैसे सुर आपको आना चाहिए. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, क्लासिकल सिंगिंग कर सकते हो. एंड इन अदर हैंड फोक सॉन्ग, इन फोक सॉन्ग देर इज नो नीड ऑफ एनी रूल. जैसे पीपल एक्सप्रेस करना चाहते हैं खुद के इमोशंस, वो खुद इमोशंस एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. कहाँ पे, फोक आर्ट. फोक आर्ट इज कंटिन्यूड फ्रॉम प्री हिस्टोरिक. जैसे पिछले जमाने से जैसे आ रहा है वो क्या होता है, कंटिन्यू होता है आगे. फोक सॉन्ग इसे बोलते हैं हम फोक सॉन्ग. और क्लासिकल आर्ट, क्लासिकल क्या बोलते हैं, क्लासिकल उसे बोलते हैं जिसपे रूल्स मस्ट होते हैं, उसे क्लासिकल आर्ट बोलते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी सी स्टाइल इन आर्ट. आर्टिस्ट टेंड टू हैव देयर own method of working. It is known as the style of artist. When a style is adopted by many artists over a prolonged period of time, it may become a tradition. Such tradition gets established as an art style. Various art styles develop in every culture which are characteristics of a certain period and region. Such styles are helpful in studying art history. In style art, every artist has its own style. Okay, every painter, every dancer, it has own style. When a style is repeatedly practiced by many artists over a long period of time, it becomes a tradition. By repeating and by practicing, it became a tradition. Such a tradition gets established as an art style. Okay. जैसे हम बोलते हैं पंजाबी की एक अलग स्टाइल होती है, क्योंकि वो बार बार रिपीटेड हो गई है और एक क्या हो गया है, ट्रेडिशन बन गया है. तो उनकी आर्ट और स्टाइल है पंजाबी स्टाइल. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड दैट. सेवरल आर्ट स्टाइल्स डेवलप्ड इन एवरी कल्चर रिफ्लेक्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ अ सर्टन पीरियड एंड रीजन, एंड दे हेल्प in the study of history. Here we complete 4 point what is art.